Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can play Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 for free, and this is a very straightforward method. So you are going to go to your default browser. For mine is Google, and then you are going to type in breezycoupons.com. As you can see, this is the site breezycoupons.com. You're going to click on this first link here, and then you are going to search in the game now. As you can see, this is the game here, and there are only 44 slots left, so you need to hurry up. So when you click here on show DLC code, this is the code, and you cannot see it in full as you need to complete certain tasks before this code is fully unlocked. So I'm going to click here on unlock code, and it's going to load a little bit. So under this window, it should take you to another window. So under this window, you will need to download these two apps here, this one and this one, and you need to run them for around 30 seconds. So you only need to complete 2 tasks here. As you can see, there are 4 tasks to be done, and you only need to do 2. So you can choose the 2 simplest ones, and that is how it works. So they should come here on your home page, and then all you need to do is to go back after you've completed the task and to refresh the page, and then you need to go back and you need to select unlock this code. So that is how it's done. On to the next step. You have already received your coupon, and now what is remaining now is for you to key in this coupon in order for you to obtain the free games for free. So all you need to do is to go to the Steam app. And in case you don't already have the Steam app on your device, all you need to do is to go and press download Steam for PC. So it should look like this. So all you need to do is to go onto the games menu and press on activate product on stream. So it's going to take some time. So you'll be brought to this window. All you need to do is to paste your coupon here, and that is about it. That is all you need for you to get the free coupon. So that is it. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing.